So welcome back to September's dividend income update, and yes, this is my face. Rather than just be stuck behind a faceless voice all the time, I thought I'd actually show my face on this one. So we are going to be going into the app. I'm going to quickly pause the screen and carry on, and then go into the app. I'm going to give a quick little show at the portfolio. And then we're going to look at what dividends we've got. Okay, so before I go into the app, I'm going to have to now give the whole legal rundown thing that we all have to do. Now that kind of, know we are sort of thing. So I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial coach. This isn't financial advice. This is all for apparently entertainment purposes. Explain that one. Yeah, because it's like really entertaining to see how little somebody's made in dividends, unless you've got like, I don't know, 50 grand invested and then you're making hundreds a month. That seems to be how it works, But anyway, that's all the legal stuff out of the way. So let's go into the app and see what the hell we find, shall we? So let's see if this works. And I'm going to guess it did. So, this is a portfolio at the minute. We are at 7,105. And altogether, we got 100 shares of Aberdeen, which is up down 16%. I get one right. Anglesey Mining is not a dividend payer. It's just a little tiny Welsh mining group that I happen to find on London Stock Exchange. They're like 3p a share. So, what the hell, pick up 100 shares and see if it goes anywhere, So we got Anglo Pacific Group, 300 shares, they're up 16%. Assura is 615 shares, they're down 6% at the minute. Then we've got Aviva, they're up 15%, there's 100 shares of those. 150 shares BP, up 18%. Then we've got British Tobacco, 10 shares, down 5%. Civitas Social Housing is 300 shares, down 40%. It's taken a bit of a whack lately. I don't know if it's just to do with numbers or if it's something to do with the social care bill that the government were looking to address a few weeks back, shall we say. So that could be having a big play into that one as well. And, they just jumping on it. Oh, there's some number stuff. I tend to look at the annual reports to sort of have a look at numbers myself rather than just quarterly stuff, because I get a bit more of a picture, bit of a more complete picture, if you will, for the year. Oh, so that's what I do on that one. So I'll find out on the next annual report if anything seems to have spooked that. Anyway, we've also got 250 shares of Diversified Energy Company, which is up 2%. We've got Edison Property Investment, which is a monthly payer. That's 301 shares, and that's up 0.85%. There's a few of these like this now, so we're not going to mention that one. We've got GCP Infrastructure, 300 shares, it's barely moved. Hypnosis Songs Fund, barely moved, that's 200 shares. Imperial Brands, down 4%, and we've got 25 shares. Lloyds, 1,014 shares, up 2%. PIMCO short-term high-yield bond, which is the other monthly pay I've got, has barely moved. That's 30 shares. Need to add a couple more to those. And then we've got 350 shares of Primary Health Properties. They've barely moved. Real Estate Credit Investments, they've barely moved. That's 520 shares. That's my biggest paying dividend in a minute. Then we've got 350 shares of Regional REIT. And that's up 9%. 150 shares of Tesco's, which is down 5%, I should say. And then 300 shares of Renewables Infrastructure, which is barely moved. So let's go and find out what the dividends are. Oh, they're already there. Right. Apart from, that went wrong. There we go. Let's find out where we were. There we go. 2nd of September. So we had £1.5 from PIMCO short term. That's £1.5. That's a very long thing to say. Then we had Edison Property, £1.25. Hypnosis Songs Fund, £2.30. GCP Infrastructure was £5.26. Civitas Social Housing was £2.06. And RECI, as I call know for short, or Real Estate and Credit Investment, £15.31. That's a quarterly payer, so that's why it's that big, because I got 520 shares. It's only £1 odd, so it's going to get to 1,000 by probably end of next year, and then it'll be 30 quid a month. I'd quarter. I'm happy with that one. Lloyd's Banking Group, £6.70. Then we had £5.95 from BP and £7.30 from ABRDN. I get it right, which is short for Aberdeen Standard Life. Change the name at the beginning of the year, and that gives us a grand total of £47.18, which means our total dividends are now £364, which is like nearly £1 a day for a year. But I've been going for over a year, so it doesn't quite count at that. Never mind. So yeah, that's it. That's it for September. You've finally seen my face, so sorry if it caused you to be a bit ill, but there we are. That's the way it is. So I will see you all in October for. Oh, by the way, for the couple of subscribers that I do seem to, well, mainly not subscribers and viewers that always seem to stick around the end of the video, I do actually appreciate it, because I do check the analytics, and yeah, there's usually one or two that stick around. I have no idea actually where you are, because even though my geographical thing says like I've got so many viewers in the last one, most of which are in somewhere, only a fraction seems to show up as the UK, which is a bit weird. As I said, as if they just couldn't be asked to try and figure out where the rest of you were watching from. So yeah. So anyway, that is it for this month. Goodbye.